All right, so it's a little windy out here, so it's probably gonna hear some of that. But I wanted to do an unboxing here on the Diamond V2000 antenna. All right, so everything is still packed here. This covers 50 megahertz, which is 6 meters. 144 is 2 meters, and then 430, which is what, 23 centimeters or something, I think is what they say. So everything's kind of pull out all at one time. So it kind of tells you how to install it real quick. It tells you what it covers, where it come from, California. This was 160 from HRO. Everything's kind of just taped together here. All right, so you can see, I show 2 wrenches here. I guess you kind of knock that down and then you do it inside, and then maybe it has a rubber O-ring and kind of assemble it. This is the bottom piece. Comes with the 3 radials. This one here is for tuning 6 meters. Base of the antenna. All right, so we got everything unboxed. Here's our lower half, okay? Just like that. This piece sticks out. Here's our upper half. Now, this one here, all I did was I tapped it on the table, and this comes out. So you want to connect these 2 pieces here. Now I'm going to, not that I think it's needed, apply some of this. There's a line here. Sticker on it. Holds it in place. All right. We have assembled the top and the bottom sections. Pretty easy. Now, I like how these mount. You can actually, you get these mounted, then you can slide this down through and tighten it up. And then there's 2 bolts here that will lock it in. But you connect your coax, you run your coax up through, put that in. They'll mount up pretty nice. We're going to be working on doing that here, but here's just a real quick overview. Got some of my wrenches I'm going to need. Now I'm replacing, this is a Diamond 30 multi-band, 2 meter and 70 centimeters. So that's 440 and 144. So I have it running out through. Now I did see some readings where, well, see, I have mine hooked so that the rainwater doesn't run in. I did see some where they come down and they actually run a loop in your coax, and then I'll bring it back up and I'll run it just like that. So I'll be getting the ladder out for that. I got some new coax that we're going to be running. I'm running LMR-400. It is a far distance. This piece is only 125 feet and it's actually too short. So I ordered a pre-made piece of the LMR-400 ultraflex at 150 feet. So we're going to work on getting all that installed. It runs through my basement. So I'll show you where it comes out on the other side. Okay, so I have it coming out this vent here because I ran it through the attic. There we go. All right, and then it runs down the tower and it goes in with the rest of the other coax leads for the other antennas. Now this is a Joe gun. I don't know, it's just a 3-element Joe gun. And over here we have a DX88 multi-band set up. Now I usually just set this up for winter because that's the only time I really get a chance to talk on the radio. And it's pretty cold out here right now, as you can tell. I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as possible. All right, so here's the X30A. Here's its mounting bracket. I just kind of matched it up the same. I'm hoping that I can just go right up and screw this one in and it'll work out just the same. It's going to be a little longer, but it's not. I think it's like 3 feet, but it's supposed to have more dB gain. Now I am going to have a loss as long as my coax is, so hopefully this makes up the difference. But yeah, I'm going to get up and get this one installed, and then we'll work on getting the radials on the antenna, and we still have to run the coax yet. All right, so it got dark last night, but we were able to get the diamond antenna up. I did put the coil in it, and I routed, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, I got the coax routed down so that if any water hits that, it's going to drip. It's not going to go back down into the house. I have the 6-element end coming out this way to tune it. I did some receiving. I think I tried to test like one repeater last night just to see, just to make sure I got it working and to check SWRs. I'm running 150 foot of LMR ultraflex that was pre-made with the end, and everything seems to be working out all right so far, but hopefully I can show you a little bit more here on the radio. All right, I wanted to see, this is, as you can tell, they both transmit on them. So we turn the volume down, so now we're receiving them on 440, and you can see we have less of a signal. As funny as that is, so we can get them on both, which is pretty cool. And then to switch the bands,
and his 65 watts is going to get up here in the north Lancaster County. I'm going to be listening up. Hope you guys too. Check-ins on the morning grind.